All right, we're gonna go look at the new Coachmen Cross Trail. Hopefully they have 20 or 21 in stock. All right, let's go have a look. So I just arrived at Mike Thompson RV Superstore. Look at that. Spendy rigs. So we're gonna go have a look at the Coachmen Cross Trail. Hopefully they have a couple of them to look at and see if that fits for my adventures. Here's an Echo that just drove in, which is the Cross Trail's competitor, but that's 200 grand. So not going to be getting that one. So Mike Thompson did not have one single Coachmen Cross Trail. So we're going to go to another RV place up the road, Dennis Dillon RV, see if they have any. The salesman here said that they do, so hopefully they do. Take a little walk through and see what they're all about. All right, away we go. Here we are. Dennis Dillon. All right, let's check and see if these guys have what I'm looking for. Well, I found one. This one looks like it might be a 20. Size 20. It's got the pass-through under the bed, so this must be a 20. Yeah, I think it's a 20 with the bed that goes up and down. Anyway, let's see if we can look inside. Oh, and there's another. Looks like the same one. $139.9. So what's the difference in the interiors?
The other one has the white cabinets.
Oh, just the color scheme? Okay.
Yeah.
This is converts into a bed, right?
Mm-hmm.
Good magnets on those. Big shower. Bath. Bed. So again, the white one, I don't know, it just looks cleaner. Bigger in here. Probably harder to keep clean, but little shower, love that. And then again, the up and down bed. So this is the selling feature for me. White dinette, white cupboards. Huge fridge too. Screen. I like these little storage things. They've thought of everything. I like that. The blinds. Super cool. Well thought out. This thing was well thought out. deep storage. I love it. So the dark is nice, but I like the white one a little bit more. But I do love this space back here the most. The bed that goes up and down right here. Super cool. Anyway, this is a 20-footer, so this is absolutely perfect. Except it's super spendy here. It's like $139. Get them online for cheaper. Anyway, he's checking on the generator and see if we can add one to solar. Other than that, it's got everything I want. This thing's awesome. So that was fun. Got to see 2 cross trails, one in dark wood and one in white, and I much prefer the white. It just looks bigger and cleaner and just nicer, but probably a little harder to keep clean. That's okay. Anyway, they said the list price was $139 for those, and I've seen them online for like 100, 110. So these guys are a little high with the pricing, probably because they only have 2 of them, and they're brand new and in short supply. So anyway, I'm glad I got to walk through it, because seeing it on a video and then walking through it are 2 totally different experiences. So got to touch it and open things and play with things and just kind of get a feel for what it's like. And I like it. I like the size. It's compact. It's got all the space I need. It's got the up and down bed with the storage underneath is the selling feature for me. And it's all-wheel drive, which is super cool. So you can take it out to the BLM and not worry about getting stuck. Not going 4-wheel driving like the Jeep, but at least I can go off-road and not worry about getting an RV stuck in the mud somewhere. Yeah, so just going out to the BLM anywhere in Nevada, Arizona, California, it doesn't matter. I won't get stuck having all-wheel drive. And it gets decent gas mileage. It's got a huge fuel tank, huge water tank, huge black tank, gray tank. So everything I need, and the storage under the bed is definitely the selling feature. Put my hockey equipment, my electric bike, and stuff. So perfect. I love that little thing. So we'll see. We'll shop around a little bit, see if we can find one that's nicely priced. All right. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.